Hi friends! Today we will learn about the various functions of the noun phrases. So let's start. A phrase is a group of words that does not make a complete sense. For example, my country, to the park, to have dinner, nice boy, etc. So, such group of words that do not make a complete sense are known as phrases. A phrase does not form a complete sentence. It's just a part of a complete sentence and cannot stand as a complete sentence. The phrases are of many types: noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, and adverbial phrase. Now we will learn about the noun phrase and its different functions within a sentence. Noun phrase. A noun phrase must have a noun, but it may also contain some other words which modify it or give more information about it, such as articles, adjectives, participles, and possessive pronouns. Let's see some examples of noun phrases to learn better. My mother. My mother is a phrase in which mother is a noun and my is a possessive pronoun. So, this phrase is a noun phrase. Your brother. Here, the phrase, your brother, is a noun phrase as it contains a noun, brother, and a possessive pronoun, your. All the kids. Here, the phrase, all the kids, is a noun phrase as it contains a noun, kids, but it also contains two determiners, all and the. A noun phrase can perform more than one function in a sentence. These are a few functions of noun phrases. A noun phrase can act as a subject. A noun phrase can act as a direct object. A noun phrase can act as an indirect object. A noun phrase acts as the object of a preposition. Now let's see some sentences with the noun phrases acting as the subject. The red house down the street is beautiful. Here, the phrase, the red house, is a noun phrase as it contains a noun, house, and the words the and red describe the noun, house. And it is acting as the subject of the sentence here, as the red house is the thing which is being talked about in this sentence. So, a noun phrase can act as the subject of a sentence. The cute dog across the street is mine. The cute dog is a noun phrase. It contains a noun, dog, and the words the and cute describe the noun, dog. And it is acting as the subject of the sentence here. The big blue umbrella is very costly. The phrase, the big blue umbrella, is a noun phrase as it contains a noun, umbrella, and the words the, big, and blue describe the noun, umbrella. And it is acting as the subject of the sentence here. The ink pot is empty. Here, the phrase, the ink pot, is a noun phrase. It contains a noun, ink pot. And the word the is an article. And it is acting as the subject of the sentence here. Now let's see some sentences in which noun phrases are acting as a direct object. I want a swimming costume. Here, the phrase, a swimming costume, is a noun phrase as it contains a noun, costume, and the words a and swimming describe the noun, costume, and it is acting as a direct object in the sentence. The boy kicked the ball. Here, the phrase "the ball" is a noun phrase, and it is acting as the direct object in the sentence. Here, the phrase "the letter" is a noun phrase, and it is acting as the direct object in the sentence. I ate a candy. Here, the phrase "a candy" is a noun phrase, and it is acting as the direct object in the sentence. So, a noun phrase also acts as a direct object in a sentence. Now let's see how a noun phrase acts as an indirect object in the sentence.
Leanna gave the little girl a toffee. In this sentence, we have two noun phrases. One is the little girl, and the other one is a toffee. The verb in the sentence is gave, and the direct object, that is, the action of giving, is done upon the toffee. So, a toffee is a noun phrase acting as the direct object in the sentence. And the recipient of this direct object is the little girl. So, this noun phrase, the little girl, is the indirect object in the sentence.
Here, we have another example. John gave his brother a present. In this sentence, we have two noun phrases. One is his brother, and the other one is a present. The verb in the sentence is gave, and the action of giving is done upon present. So, a present is the direct object in this sentence, and the recipient of this direct object is his brother. So, his brother is acting as the indirect object in the sentence. Here we have another example. We gifted our mom a red gown. In the sentence, we have two noun phrases, our mom and a red gown, and the verb in the sentence is gifted, and the action of giving is done upon a red gown. So, a red gown is a direct object in the sentence. The recipient of this red gown is our mom. So, our mom is acting as the indirect object in this sentence. So, we learned a noun phrase can act as a direct object in the sentence and also as an indirect object in the sentence. Now we will see how noun phrases acts as the object of a preposition in a sentence. She drove off in a car. In this statement, a car is a noun phrase which is coming after the preposition in. So, it is acting as the object of the preposition in. The aeroplane flew over the river. Here, the river is a noun phrase, which is acting as the object of the preposition over. Here, the river is a noun phrase, which is acting as the object of the preposition over. The dog ran across the road. In this sentence, the road is a noun phrase, which is acting as the object of the preposition across. Did you place the box on the table? In this statement, the table is a noun phrase, which is acting as the object of the preposition on. So, noun phrases can also act as the object of a preposition. So, friends, We learned that a noun phrase is a phrase in which a noun acts as the head, that is, the main word in the phrase. And it may also contain some words that modify that noun or give more information about it, like articles, adjectives, participles, and possessive pronouns. And we also learned that there are 4 major functions of noun phrases. It can act as the subject of a sentence. It can act as a direct object. It can act as an indirect object, or it can act as the object of a preposition. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!